y'all. I'm Matt over at KYGUNCO here in Louisville. And I just wanted to talk to y'all today about the Beretta A400 shotgun and its kind of family of shotguns, including the 1301, and why I like them so much. They are a fantastic, super reliable semi-auto 12 gauge. They use Beretta's blink system, which is one of the fastest cycling and most reliable with low brass and high brass on the market. One of my favorite aspects of the shotgun is the oversized controls for when you got gloves on or anything. Compared to some of the other guns on the market that have little tiny button releases, the A400's got a massive bolt release here. So you can just kind of hit it and not even think about it. Big oversized charging handle, nice and easy to actuate. Nice oversized trigger guard if you got thicker gloves on, you're bird hunting in the winter or anything like that. Just briefly wanted to touch on the choke system here. These A400s are running the Beretta Optima choke system. Pretty standard interchangeable choke system. You got your extended chokes that come with the gun, full modified cylinder and stuff like that. They come with a pretty full package in most of the options that you get in the Beretta shotgun. But super easy to swap out. Just unscrews. They got your choke wrenches in them. So nice and easy. A lot of options on the market. There's a bunch of aftermarket, Carlson chokes, the cremators and stuff like that. So pretty easy to do. She's got the kickoff system back here in the rear of the stock. Reduce a little recoil. The gas system takes some of it out, but this helps even more. So compared to some of your lighter guns or like inertia guns, this gun's got a little less felt recoil than those. And then she's, like I said, super reliable, super easy to take apart. If you're going for disassembly, it's just a half turn on the front cap here, and then you can take the handguard off in the barrel and just start taking her apart from there. Comes in all shapes and sizes. Like I said, they got the 1301 family for more of a tactical, but these A400s are great if you're a bird hunter or anything, or just clay shooter in general. Like I said, they cycle super fast. One of my favorite shotguns on the market. I've had a lot of luck with them and love running them. So you can ghost load them too, just like a Benelli M4, so you can get a little extra round in there if you're looking for a little extra capacity. But yeah, super comfy, rubberized grips and everything. Pretty lightweight 4-gas gun. Just huge fan of the Beretta family of shotguns. Can't go wrong with them in my opinion. So if you ever want to come down to KYGUNCO, talk about the gun or anything, come in and see it. More than happy to talk to you about it. So come on in and see us, y'all.